Hello friends, Assam Agricultural University AAU Jorhat Recruitment 2022 12টা ভেকেন্সি আন্ডাৰ DBT NECAB ওলাইছে সো আপোনালোকে এপ্লাই কৰিব পাৰে। Assam Agricultural University লাষ্ট ডেট আছে 30 তাৰিখ 4 মাহ 2022 30 এপ্ৰিল লৈকে আছে। Assam Agricultural University AAU has released an employment notification for the recruitment of 12 project associate JRF and other vacancy under the DBT Northeast Center for Agricultural Biotechnology DBT NECAB Assam Agricultural University Jorhat ad hoc tea project funded by Department of Biotechnology goal interested and eligible candidates may apply. 1 number post hoise project associate, 2 number of post আছে এটা education qualification is PhD in agricultural biotechnology, molecular biology and biotechnology, plant breeding and genetics, any branch of life sciences with specialization in molecular breeding with outstanding academic record and proven ability of high R&D work, or master's degree in the relevant subject with first division or 60% marks or equivalent overall grade point average with at least 2 years of research experience as evidence from fellowship, associateship training, other engagement, and 1 research paper in science citation index SCI NAS rated 4.0, desirable experience in genomics, statistical genomics, and shall be given preference. Emolument is 35,000 plus 8% HRA. Project 1 germplasm characterization, genomics analysis, and gene discovery for yield, metabolite, and stress tolerance in tea. Duration 3 years. Principal Investigator Dr. R.N. Sharma, Professor, Department of PBG. Date of interview 4th May 2022, time 10 AM onwards. Dinner post is Junior Research Fellow. Number of post is 2টা Educational qualification is MSc Agri MTech, MSc in Plant Breeding and Genetics, Biotechnology, Tea Husbandry and Technology, Life Sciences, Molecular Biology and Biotechnology. Desirable get net blade qualified experience of working in laboratory with DNA marker, other related works oriented to improvement. Emolument 31,000, 8% plus 8% HRA for first and second year, 35,000 plus 8% HRA for third year. Applicable for candidates with net get bet bins qualified or any other selection process through national level examinations conducted by central government department and their agencies and institutions. 25,000 plus 8% HRA who do not fall under above. Project 1 germplasm characterization, genomics analysis and gene discovery for yield, metabolite, and stress tolerance in tea. Duration 3 years. Principal Investigator Dr. R.N. Sharma, Professor, Department of PBG. Date of interview 4th May 2022, time 10 AM onwards. 3 number post is Junior Research Fellow. Number of post is eta Educational qualification is MSc Agri in Agricultural Biotechnology, MSc in Life Sciences Biotechnology. Desirable experience in working with plant tissue culture lab. Emolument 31,000 per month plus 8% HRA. Applicable for candidates with net get bet bins qualified or any other selection process through national level examinations conducted by central government department and their agencies and institutions. 25,000 plus 8% HRA who do not fall under above. Project 2 establishing efficient platform for genetics engineering and precise genome editing in tea. Duration 2 years. Principal Investigator Dr. Salbinder Singh, Professor ABT. Date of interview 4th May 2022, time 2 PM onwards. Sign post is Junior Research Fellow. Number of post is 2টা Educational qualification is MSc in Agriculture with specialization in plant pathology, entomology, soil sciences, tea husbandry, microbiology. Desirable experience in microbiology, tea husbandry. Emolument reached 31,000 plus 8% HRA first and second year and 35,000 plus 8% HRA third year. Applicable for candidates with NET, GATE, BET, BINS qualified or any other selection process through national level examinations conducted by central government department and their agencies and institutions. 25,000 plus 8% HRA who do not fall under above. Project 3. Development of sustainable agriculture practices for biotic and abiotic storage management in conventional and organic tea plantation. Duration 3 years. Principal Investigator Dr. Poppy Bora, Junior Scientist, Department of Plant Pathology. Date of interview 5th May 2022. Time 10 AM onwards. Personal post হৈছে scientific assistant. Number of post আছে দুটা. Education qualification হৈছে graduate in any discipline with experience in biopesticide, biofertilizer work. Emolument 18,000 plus 8% HRA. Project 3. Development of sustainable agriculture practices for biotic and abiotic storage management in conventional and organic tea plantation. Duration 3 years. Principal Investigator Dr. Poppy Bora, Junior Scientist, Department of Plant Pathology. Date of interview 5th May 2022. Time 10 AM onwards. 6 number post হৈছে Junior Research Fellow. Number of post আছে এটা. Education qualification হৈছে MSc Agri with specialization of tea husbandry and technology, agricultural biochemistry, food science and technology, food science and nutrition or equivalent qualification. Desirable knowledge of food processing, nutrition, statistical analysis software packages. Emolument 31,000 plus 8% HRA. Applicable for candidates with NET, GATE, BET, BINS qualified or any other selection process through national level examination conducted by central government department and their agencies and institutions. 25,000 plus 8% HRA who do not fall under above. Project for value addition and project diversification in tea. Duration 3 years. Principal Investigator Dr. Aditi Smiti Gogoi, Assistant Professor, Department of THT. Date of interview 5th May 2022. Time 2 PM onwards. 7 number post হৈছে Project Scientist. Number of post আছে এটা. Education qualification হৈছে PhD in Agricultural Biotechnology, Molecular Biology, tea husbandry technology, any branch of life sciences with 2 years for experience in a relevant field and outstanding academic record and proven ability of high R&D work. Desirable experience in statistical analysis software packages and a Linux environment. Emolument reached 56,000 plus 8% HRA. Project 5. Sustainable management of tea waste to transform the tea industry into carbon neutral and a zero waste industry. Duration 3 years. Principal Investigator Dr. R.P. Bhuya, Professor, Department of THT. Date of interview 6th May 2022. Time 10 AM onwards. 8 number post হৈছে Junior Research Fellow. Number of post আছে দুটা. Education qualification হৈছে MSc Agri with specialization of tea in husbandry and technology, agricultural engineering or equivalent qualification. Desirable proficiency in computer application is essential. Emolument 31,000 8% HRA. Applicable for candidates with NET, GATE, BET, BINS qualified or any other selections process through national level examinations conducted by central government department and their agencies and institutions. 25,000 plus 8% HRA who do not fall under above. Project 5. Sustainable management of tea waste to transform the tea industry into carbon neutral and zero waste industry. Duration 3 years. Principal Investigator Dr. R.P. Bhuya, Professor, Department of THT. Date of interview 6th May 2022. Time 10 AM onwards. How to apply for AAU Jorhat recruitment. So friends can apply কৰিব. Intending candidates having requisite qualifications must email their complete curriculum vitae along with all the relevant details including contact details, pass certificates, mark sheet from HSLC onwards, previous employment records and other testimonials at dbt.necab@aau.ac.in with a copy to the Director DBT NECAB aau@bidut.sharma@aau.ac.in. Last date for submission of application is 30th April 2022. The shortlisted candidates will be intimated about the mode of conducting the interview prior to 2 days from the date of interview. So friends, মই ভিডিওটোৰ description advertisement details দি থৈছোঁ, আপোনালোকে তাৰ পৰা PDF ডাউনলোড কৰি ভালকৈ চাব পাৰে।